Judy Kep here, 26 for Just Do the Tips, Spears, and Hobbies. How you guys and girls out there? Hope you're doing okay today. And we've got the Paul Block sharpener, and I've got some very dull knives here. I want to put it up to the test. I mean, they won't cut, at all. So, what you have to do is, I have to turn it up like this, hold it like that, and then run the knife through like this. And you know what? We're going to have to take this off to show you. Okay, so we took it off the mounting board, and you want to run it through like this. Hold it down into the table. And we're going to put it on here. Let's see if we can get it to that sharpness that we wanted to. Okay. I don't know if that's enough, but let's try it. And it's still ripping. Oh. I know this may be a type of edge that we can't do with the Paul Block sharpener. Let's try it. Let's try a piece of cardboard, small cardboard. It's cutting it that way, okay? But this is, these teeth are really rounded, and I don't think, unless you hone it, you're going to get a good edge. Let's look at this one right here. This one is more of the chisel type. Let's try this. And do it on the other. And see how it does on the paper. It doesn't do too well on that. Do a piece of cardboard. Yeah, we'll cut it, but raggedly cut it. I was hoping that it would do this serrated edge. This is a Onita, and it's a Chinese type steak knife. Just doesn't like it. Doesn't like Chinese metal. And that's no pun to the Chinese, it's just that some knives you just can't sharpen the way they're put together. Let's try this one. This one is a Ginsu. No, Ginsu they're always supposed to be sharp. Yeah, that's sharp, right? Let's try it in here. Let's try it. trying to make this video as short as possible and show you what the results are. Okay, let's put that to the side. It just rips it. Cuts it a little bit. Rips it. Try a piece of cardboard. Well, it cuts it there pretty good. Okay. Okay, so it did bring back some of the edge on the Ginzu. Did bring back some of the edge on the Ginzu. It probably just needs a little bit more on the block sharpener. I'll do a little more. Okay, that feels a little bit better. Still ripping the paper though. There we go. Stab it. Yeah, I'm not getting the results that on the serrated that I anticipated, and like I said, you know, different metals. Let's see, it cuts cardboard very well, so it is sharp. So it just, on better steels, I would say you're going to have better results with the serrated. My conclusion, on better made quality knives, you're going to have better results, I think. So it's a good device. I want to do this test. I wanted to see how it would do. I needed these knives sharpened, and it did okay. It did okay. Now, if I didn't done this on a better quality knife, I think it would be, you know, serrated knife, I think it'd do a lot better. That's my conclusion. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. You can get the block sharpener on eBay. They have different colors. I am no way affiliated with them. I just think it is a good little tool to have in your backpack or at home in the kitchen for your kitchen knives, straight blade, good kitchen knives, and they have different colors, like I said, green, blue, red, yellow, and it's made here, right in America. So thanks for watching, guys. You have a great day. We'll see you next time.